Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 436th episode and the 13th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. My friends, can you believe Christmas is 6 days away? OMG, it's upon us. Well, today I'm going to share with all of you some cranberry orange scones. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to put an orange glaze on top. It's sure to make your mouth water. And these will be perfect to serve for your holiday brunch, Christmas morning, or any time of the year. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist from breakfast casserole to buttermilk pancakes and my previous video, white hot chocolate. I'll post a link to all those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your oranges, and your cranberry sugar because we're about to bake some cranberry orange scones magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, and 1 stick of unsalted butter that I grated. It's nice and cold. I put it in the refrigerator. Very important when making scones or biscuits. Make sure your butter is really cold. And using my pastry cutter, or you can use your hands, we're just going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse cornmeal. Alright, my friends, this is what the crumbs look like. Nice coarse chunks. Perfect. Now we're going to stir in 1/2 cup of fresh cranberries that I roasted in the oven. Now let them cool. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of white sugar and stir this in. I forgot to add them in with the flour, but we could just stir them in with the cranberries. It's all good. And over here in this bowl, I have 1 extra large egg that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1/2 cup of real mayonnaise. And we're going to mix these in until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to add the mayonnaise and eggs mixture into the flour mixture. And using clean hands, we're just going to mix everything together until they're well incorporated. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing everything, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing the dough and it formed us into a ball. Now I'll put it on the flour surface. I'm going to flatten it to about 3/4 inch. Alright, that's good. Now we're going to sprinkle on a teaspoon of white sugar right on top. So now we're going to use a sharp knife and cut them into triangles. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my triangles, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have gotten my scones together. I put them in a 9 by 13 inch long cookie sheet that I line with foil, or you can use parchment paper or grease it with baking spray. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 17 minutes until they're golden brown. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my scones out of the oven. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are on the top? Those look great. So now I'm going to let them cool on the wire rack for a few minutes. Alright, my friends, the scones is nice and cool. And there's one more thing we got to add to them. Over here in my bowl, I made an orange glaze, which is 1 cup of powdered sugar that I whisk, or you can sift it, and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed orange juice. And I stirred it until it's well incorporated. So now we're just going to drizzle the glaze on top of our scones. Let's give it some sugar. Don't that look good? Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cranberry orange scones. Now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with an orange slice and some fresh cranberries on the side. Don't that look beautiful? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this scone. Look at that glaze. Soft and chewy. Cranberry's nice and juicy when you bite into it. And that orange glaze is phenomenal. These scones are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cranberry orange scone-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.